Hey everyone, Joy Kakovic, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant here, and we are going to talk about mechanically cleaning, actually removing stuff from a surface. And I'm going to do that with my Enviro cloth. I've gotten it damp. This is all you need to clean. And I'm going to demonstrate removing some raw chicken from a surface. So let me spread that yummy raw chicken right on top there. And I'm going to use the tag side of my cloth. Use it nice and flat. Again, it is damp. And I'll just go along the surface here and remove that raw chicken. I'm going to keep on cleaning and keep on cleaning here, just so you know that it is actually cleaning the surface and removing that ickiness from there. And then I'm going to take this cool little swab, and this tests the surface for protein. So I'll swab right here where I put the raw chicken, and then the other places where I cleaned with my cloth. And I'm going to put that right back in there. So the solution up at the top is kind of a pale green, and that's what I want it to stay when it comes in contact with the swab. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right down there. So green means that it's a clean test. Now here's where it gets even crazier. We're mechanically cleaning the microfiber is such high quality, it takes those things off of the surface and kind of puts them more into the center parts of the fibers instead of the surface of the fibers. So I'm going to swab right on top of this cloth where you saw me pick up that raw chicken, right? Give it a nice little shake. And it's still nice and green, no evidence of protein. And just so you know that it doesn't always stay green, I will put it right on this raw chicken and give it a nice little shake. And you can see that there was obviously evidence of protein, so the color changes right away.